Is your backyard just there? A patch of grass, maybe a lonely chair and a whole lot of unused potential? What if you could turn that space into your own personal retreat, a cozy, welcoming oasis like that? Without emptying your wallet. Today I'm diving into the art of transforming any backyard into a dream escape, even on a tight budget. Whether you've got a small patio or a sprawling lawn, I've got creative, affordable and beautiful ideas that'll inspire your inner designer. First, let's envision the dream. Picture yourself sipping your favorite drink on a comfy lounge chair, surrounded by lush greenery, glowing lights, and the soothing sound of water or crackling fire. Sounds perfect, right? But before we can get there, we need a plan, and that starts with vision. Every transformation begins with a budget. The key? Break it down into categories: seating, greenery, lighting, ambience, and personal touches. Here's an example of a realistic budget plan. Seating and shade, £100, £200. Plants and greenery, £50, £100. Lighting, £30, £70. DIY, decor and furniture, £0, £150, depending on how resourceful you are. Extras, fire pit, water feature, £50, £150, total around £300, £600 for a full makeover, and trust me, it's worth every penny. Let's talk comfort, starting with seating. You don't need a high-end patio set. Try repurposed pallets for rustic charm, or hunt second-hand shops for deals. Add cushions and throws, and suddenly it's five-star cozy. Next, bring in life with greenery. Choose low-maintenance plants like lavender, rosemary, hostas, or succulents. Want fragrance? Jasmine and mint are great picks. Now for that wow factor, natural elements. A DIY fountain from a ceramic pot or a small fire pit made with stacked bricks adds major ambience for minimal cost. Here's where it gets fun, DIY time. Use solar-powered path lights, string lights, or even mason jars with fairy lights for a warm evening glow. With a few 2x4S, wood screws and stain, you can build a small pergola or arbor to anchor your space and add height and shade. Old ladders become vertical gardens. Wooden crates turn into shelves. Even an old door can be a tabletop. Let your imagination run wild. This is your space. Add things that make you smile. Outdoor pillows in fun prints, lanterns, wind chimes, or hanging planters. A bird feeder to welcome friendly visitors, a small insect hotel to support your local ecosystem, and now the big reveal. From a forgotten patch of grass to a dreamy retreat, proving that with creativity and a bit of elbow grease, anyone can build a backyard oasis on a budget. Thanks for joining me on this backyard transformation journey. I hope you're feeling inspired to start your own oasis, no matter your space or budget. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Share your own makeovers with #BudgetBackyardBliss. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a DIY idea from us.